Welcome, welcome, welcome. We are live. Welcome back to the stream. This is the let's figure out how to build a $1 million business together, because that's what I'm trying to do. Never built one before. I think it would be fun. I think it would be fun to be a millionaire. I don't know. That's just me. If that's not you, then I don't know. Maybe you shouldn't be here. I don't know. All right, so what are we going to do today? We are going to get back in right into finishing off our bookmarked membership website, which is something that we've been doing for a client, and kind of a little bit testing the membership capabilities of Webflow as well. And what we found out, sadly, is that it's not very capable at all, except for doing the very basics of basic membership stuff, which is really kind of disappointing. But also understandable in terms of the complexity, all the different use cases that are out there. Anyways, shout out to Gavin. Thank you so much. I don't know why this comment, I didn't see it till today. YouTube is really weird sometimes when you go into the back end and look at comments. But anyways, you left a comment on new live stream music. So I have it queued up here. So hopefully, we'll see what happens if there's any kind of dinging or whatever. But just basically looking for copyright-free music to just play low-key in the background. I don't want any words or anything, just like lo-fi, just kind of chill, whatever type music. So we'll give that a try, and we're going to dive right in. So we did yesterday make a list in our Asana. Actually, I should bring that back up to see how many things are left to do. And yeah, there's quite a lot. I don't like long lists. I like short lists. Which usually at the beginning of a project, I won't. It depends on the project. I'll say that right now. But if it's especially something that I know that I'm working on, I won't start making a huge list of every single thing that needs to get done, because the list is just too huge. There's just things that I just know that need to do, like start building the website, like I don't do any of that kind of stuff. But as it gets closer to the end, it's good to make note. Like I like to make note of all the little details that need to be taken care of and making sure that they're ready to go before we go live. So that's when I get into little details of what little things need to get done. Of course, if it's other work where there's other people that are working in it, then I detail things basically right away in Asana. So, and that's something that we're going to have to figure out how to do more of once we get more people on the team, which is what I'm hoping for. And yeah, I wonder when would be a good time to hire. So that'll be interesting. We'll have those conversations as we move on here in our journey. I don't know what to call it. Yeah. So I think what we're going to do is, I got this queued up. So I'm just going to play this music and see how loud it is. There's a big picture of a beach on here. So I hope it's not too, I don't know, like beachy, make me want to go outside. Beachy's not really a word, but too like tropical vibes or whatever. Make me want to get out of the house. And today here, where I am in Halifax, it's almost, what temperature is it? So this is 8 degrees, 9 degrees. So it's almost the hottest it's been all year, and it's like full sun. So it's really, really nice. Love to be outside. But at last, we're stuck here in this little room with no windows and no windows, no doors. Well, I guess there is a door, just no windows, no sunlight, which really sucks. But that's okay. We're going to get to work. Okay, now this is a little too much. It's pretty housey, this music. I'm going to turn it down here. Yeah. I think it's pretty low. I'm not sure how much. You guys might hear a little bit. It's at like minus 40 dB. Not very high at all. Okay. So let's see. What do we want to do? Probably share my screen so you guys can see what's going on, what we're going to be working on today. And I think that is done here. Okay. So here are the things. Let's go through our list here and see. Can I make this bigger? No, I can't, because it's like an app. But I could do this. Let's go through this list and see if there are things that, like what we want to work on today. Okay, footer. Yeah, let's do that today. Gather. Oh, content. That's not going to be. Okay. A new review. Yeah, let's look at that today. Oh. Yeah, let's do that today. The colors. That's not going to be today. Style the webflow. Yeah, let's do that today. 404 page. Let's do that today. At least let's aim for. Clean up. Maybe not today. Not today. Take initial content. Not to webflow. Right. That's going to be for the next few days. Add subtle effect for links. I think we could do that today. Right. Better placement of the tags on the, yeah, let's do that today. Multiple affiliates based on location. Okay, so we got all these ones here for today. And we could look at the icons for the call of action, call to action. That'll be good. Clean up collections. Yeah. Okay, I think this is a good start for today. So what do we want to start with? The genres are interesting. Choosing the color palette. Why is this not working? Because every once in a while, this thing just doesn't. Oh, it's so frustrating. There's got to be a shortcut key. There's shortcut keys. I thought there was a way. Keyboard shortcuts. Okay. Move select task up or down. Control. So if I go control up, there we go. So style the footer section. .404 page. Do that last. Find better image placement. We'll do that. We'll do that. We'll start with that right now. So how many? Okay. Let's put that aside. Let's go into here. Let's zoom in. Can I zoom in a little bit? I think that's better. Yeah. Should be able to see that. Okay. I want to see now genres. So what other genres are there? There's more than this. List of book genres. There's 14 main. Speculative fiction. Never heard of that. Dystopian fantasy. What the heck is this? Huh. Romance, historical, horror, thriller, mystery. What do they have on Goodreads? Do they have like a list of? Oh, they got. Oh, okay, this is different. Oh, obviously. Okay, well, let's see if we can use these lists. Oh, where's the other one go? And let's see if we can come up with a list. I think, okay, well, we want to, okay, create. So we want to create, what do we want? I'm just going to put these in. Now, they're not all going to be displayed. So I'm going to have it so that it's only going to display if there's actually something that's in that genre. I hope anyways. Or am I going to be able to do that? Ooh, I don't know. Okay, hang on. Let's do one here. So what are this one? So mystery, that's a good one. Let's create. Okay, so if we go back to here, we go to our reviews. These are the genres. Do they all have something? Okay, they all have something. But now we got a new one. So let's publish this. I just want to see if it's going to show up here in the genres. I mean, it probably will be because I think I'm just listing by genre. Okay. And mystery, and then obviously there's nothing there. Okay, so, which we don't want that, right? Like, that's stupid to show a genre if there's nothing there. So, but how... I just want to go to the reviews page. Thank you very much. Why? Okay. Okay, reviews. So we have to go through this collection and let's see what the options. Source, genres, and can we filter by... Oh, so we can't really see. Yeah, that's annoying. So we can't filter by whether it is, like whether it has, we can't filter whether there are books in the book reviews collection that contain that genre. I bet someone who was good at programming could figure this out. So we have this collection item, which of course is filtering. You know what? I don't know. So you know what we're going to do? We're going to make sure this is done manually. Yeah. So what we'll do is anything that doesn't have anything, we're just going to leave it as a draft. Or unpublished. Immediately remove and save as draft. Yeah, and make sure that it stays as draft. And then whenever there's that category is used, then it'll get published. We just got to just the administrator's got to remember to publish it. So, and the reason why I want to put a bunch of genres on here is I just want to give them all what's the word I'm looking for? Colors. So we can kind of come up with a nice color scheme that'll fit, you know, all the different genres. So we got mystery, thriller. Does that seem like, is that a genre here? I guess there's horror and there's thriller. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. We got fiction. No, we don't have fiction. We have science fiction. Oh, no, we do have fiction. What is another one that I know is probably going to get reviewed? I think what is the one with the person? Biography. With the person. With the guy who's writing their own story. Or autobiography, I guess, is a person writing their own story. Biography is just someone writing someone else's story. Or a story about somebody else. Okay. Fantasy is probably going to be something that is going to be reviewed. Romance, no. Fantasy, yeah, dystopian. That's weird. Like, only 4. What is this, masterclass? Gain new skills in 10 minutes. I don't know if it takes that line. Or takes that long. Might be a little bit longer. This would be cool. This Chris Voss one. I've seen a lot of his YouTube videos. It's really, really great. His book is amazing. Crypto and the blockchain with noted experts. Who are these experts? Chris Dixon. Never heard of these guys. Daniel Negreanu. Did I just see Daniel Negreanu? Yeah. Oh, he teaches poker. I know Canadian boy. Canadian boy. What do they have for business? Campaign strategy. Bob Iger teaches how to take a Star Wars brand and just destroy it and run it straight to the ground. Oh man, such a shame. Star Wars. Oh, I can't even think about that. It's interesting how they have a different font for each person. Maybe it fits their style. Some interesting people here. Anyways, what the hell am I doing? Focus on genres. Fantasy, I got that. Mystery, poetry, no. Self-help, historical fiction, graphic novels. Graphics novels might be reviewed. Graphic novels might. I'm not sure. We'll put it in. Great. More genres? What are more? I guess these are all of them. And there's another more? Oh my goodness, they get into like ridiculous ones. Oh my god, there's some stuff here that I don't even want to... Okay. Not going to touch. Business. Contemporary crime. Ebooks. It's weird. Horror. No. Thriller. Paranormal. Okay, I think this is good for now. Yeah, what do we have? 9? Yeah, that's really good. Okay, so now we got to come up with a good color theme. So what's the best way to do that? I mean, do we want to open up? We could. Let's open up Photoshop here. I got a bunch of stuff that I was working on. That's okay. Sure, we just need a canvas. So we have, sure, let's do a circle. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think 9 of them, right? Can we space them nicely? No, that's not what I want. I think like this, right? No, all line up like this. There we go. Okay, now what the hell? A little too close together for my liking. Okay, what's going on here? Can I not? Where's my cursor? There we go. Oh, that's not letting me select. Weird. Okay. Now it's... Okay. Okay, so what colors do I have so far? So if I go into here, let's just, let's not mess around on this page. Yeah, so we got some warm colors here. So let's take a look at what we have so far. Okay, so these might be, let's just put that there. So what do we have? 4, 5, 6, we need 9 more. Okay. Once again, there we go. Okay. So if we have something like this, oh, it's not giving us a nice preview. That's really too bad. How can we get it to give us a preview? Do we want the colors to be more muted? Or do we want them to be darker? I mean, these are tags here. And I feel like muted, like I'm liking this yellow. So I feel like if we tone it down, because I don't want them to stick out too much. And then we'll have them be light colors on dark text. So if we throw in some warmth, I guess not all of them are going to be warm if they're going to, especially if they're going to be blue colors. Also, it might be a little too peachy. I don't want it too bright either. Let's go back here. Let's tone down that brightness a little bit. I don't like this color at all. It's kind of peachy. That's a little bit better. So we got a little bit of a lime going in there. That's not bad. Let's switch that. Yeah, you're going to be this color. And you are going to be that color. Okay. How green do we want to go? A little limey. We gotta make sure that our colors are not going to be too similar as well from one another. Just desaturate that a little bit. It's tough to say. I could almost go for a darker blue here. And then we got purple, pink, and red. Very similar. That's okay. Okay. And let's go with fire red, I guess. I mean, it's really pastel looking colors. Is that the right word? Yeah, and if we get more colors or more themes, we'll just have to figure out how to put things more into the middle. Like we could probably do some more blues. Okay, what's sticking out here? So this guy's sticking out. You need to tone down. Or tone up. Just add a little bit more color. Yep. A little bit more into the green, and you a little bit maybe. Oh, you're already pretty blue. Yeah, there we go. And then just have a look at this guy. It's pretty, yeah. Oh yeah, just a subtle difference. But I like that. And I think just this one's tough. Yeah, let's go with this. Let's go with this. And I think what we'll do to make things easier, not easier. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, actually, how many genres do I have? Oh, I do have 9. Okay. Let's order them by alphabet. let's order them by alphabet. Let's sort them by name, so that way we can start with the reds and then go from there. Topography. Fantasy. Actually, you know what would be really easier to, what would be easier to do is just do this. And then I could pick this. Save fiction. I could pick this. Graphic novel. I think this is number 4, right? Yeah, so which is that one? Mystery. Non-fiction. Non-fiction, and then so science fiction. Thriller. And then young adult. Okay. You know what? Let's save this as let's put this under deliverables. Let's put this is that how you spell it? Not sure. Doesn't matter. Okay, so we got that. Let's have a look. So I mean, if we go to, you can see them all down here. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, not bad. So now what we said we need to do. Okay, so we're going to keep that. That's fine for now. Okay. Now we need to find a better placement. I need to. So, filter. I don't want to see, no, what the hell? I only want to see the incomplete tasks. I gotta do that as for master. That's one thing that really bothers me. You start a new project and it shows you like the completed tasks. Like, I don't want to see what's completed. I just want to see what's incomplete. What do I need to do? Find a better placement for the genre tags. Okay. So that, as we know, are right here. So is a better placement. I mean, we have this. Do we? Where is it? Where did it go? It should be within here, you would think. Oop. I'm thinking of putting it up here in the top corner. Is my thought process. So I think they come here. This one is a little bit tricky. No, let's pin it. Because I do believe this div block here, yeah, that's where the genres go. They're right down here. So where do we put it? There's the whole link. I mean, what if it goes inside the image, right? Let's see. I mean, I should be able to. I mean, if I RC link, if I position this one relative, and then I position this one, I think if I position it absolute, and then we want it on here. Oops, that's the wrong thing. Here. We position this one absolute, and we go to the top corner. Right, it does. All right, let's see what that does. Okay. It's better than it was before. You know, one thing that I've been thinking about is I'm worried about the titles and everything else, and if the title should be a different font, like the headings, basically. Because I see this title here and it doesn't quite distinguish from here, right? But I don't want to make them so big. Do you know what I mean? I think I like this. I think I like the tags here. They look good with one, but when there's two, the spacing is off. But if I go what is it, 2.5? So I think that's what the spacing is. I don't know, it looks like maybe it's 0.5. No, it's weird. It's probably 0.3. Yeah, it looks like it's 0.3. 0.3. Then that looks too tight to me. 0.6 EM. What was this? Margin left, 0.6 EM. And maybe I could change that. Okay, so let's go 0.6, 0.6, and then we change is it I think there's going to be, isn't something, yeah, here it is. 0.6. Yeah, I think that's good. Hey Jay, what's going on? How you doing today? Hope everything's going well. What are you up to? Working hard? Hardly working? Okay, so that's gonna be decent. Now these colors, it's gonna be really interesting to see how this is going to look when these pictures are put in. Doing some maintenance. Not too bad. Do you mean maintenance as in like body maintenance and stretching and all that kind of stuff? Or just like web stuff maintenance from clients and all that? All right. Webflow maintenance. Right on. Have you used the membership functionality in Webflow yet? And then also another one would be Logic. I mean, I've used some of the Logic. We were playing around with that yesterday. You haven't yet? So yeah, I was talking a little bit here just at the start of the stream that the membership functionality, like it's good for what it does, but it's so limited, I find anyways, that if you want to build anything that's just above and beyond just gatekeeping certain content, then you're really going to have a hard time. And you're like, I don't see any other option than using something like MemberStack. Okay. So we got this pretty good here. Oh, do I want to filter? Yeah, no, everything's working. Everything's all good with our filters, except there's nothing in these genres here yet. So we're all good. Everything is working. So we're all set to go. We're just playing around with designs now and just getting things just like tidied up and ready to go to the client. But what I'm thinking of right now is the fonts. I'm not liking the fonts where I'm just using one font right now for the entire site, and then you have the titles and the headings. They're all like, it's all the same, and I feel like it doesn't have enough visual distinction. And that's what I'm just trying to play around with now. Roboto. No, actually, I do like Roboto. It's not a bad font. Yeah, it's not a bad font, but no, I'm not going to use it for this. Let's have a. Is it worth? Okay, hang on. What's on the to-do list? Okay, we got that. Okay, we got the Webflow email templates. Call to action icons, 404 page. So the links. Okay. Let's try a unique font, maybe you're saying? You would try something. Because I think for the reading, the serif font, I think it reads really, really well. But maybe just have a sans serif as a nice what's the word I'm looking for? Contrast from the titles to the text. I think that might work nice. Okay, I'm gonna, since I'm thinking about it, let's just go take a look now. See if we can find something good. Okay. Yeah, Open Sans. Yeah, I have a very, again, kind of a, I don't know, not the biggest fan. Not the biggest fan. I mean, obviously readability, yes. It's like you can read it and it's really great. But in terms of the look, I don't know. I just don't feel it. I do tend to look for obscure fonts that I haven't seen before. But that being said, I also kind of have a good core group of like 12 fonts that I like to use on lots of different projects. Like a nice grotesque font. Those are always nice. Okay. What do I want? What am I looking for here? Let's look at browse all fonts. Here we go. I don't want to spend too much time looking at something like this because we need to get this site live and ready to go on Friday at the latest. Because we've got a bunch of really awesome actual business stuff to talk about. Yeah, so I've been playing around with variable fonts, which was really cool, but I think within Webflow, the variable font doesn't work well when you import it or link it with Typekit, or I guess not call it Typekit anymore, but Adobe Fonts. So yeah, so it just didn't work. Yeah, no, I know. I love the variable fonts. It's really slick, and it works really cool in Webflow. But again, if you're attaching a variable font from Adobe Fonts and you're putting that into your Webflow, you don't get the functionality that you get in Webflow when you're using the variable fonts, which is really annoying. Very frustrating. Okay, so let's give me a title. Oh yeah, okay. Let's look at. What is this? Oh yeah, that's what we had to do yesterday. Search fonts. Lord of the Rings. Okay, sans serif, and we want this. No, we don't want. Yeah, we do want a sans serif. What am I talking about? That works good for Lord of the Rings. And what do we want? I really want something clean. Look at this font. This is catching my eye right off the bat. Oh. This might work. Let's give this one a shot. Bookmarks. Okay, we don't need all of these fonts, but I want to try lots of them. We don't want extended. Yeah. We'll try that. Is there anything else that catches my eye? Let's go to the last page, the page where no one looks. No, not gonna work. This might be another simple font here. I'm gonna try this one too. Are we gonna need thin? Probably not, but let's load it up. Medium, bold, extra bold, regular. No, that's the wrong kit. Okay. Now this always takes forever for this thing to get the new fonts. Let's see. No. Is this going to take me to here? It does. Look at that. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all these fonts. What the heck? Okay, this is using a different Adobe token completely. That's not good. What the hell is it doing? What the heck? Yeah, I shouldn't be flashing my token around like that. This is just, what the hell just happened? It's taking an old, that's an old token. Or maybe not. Make me a new one, please. All right, that seems a little bit better. That was weird. Okay, and save. Updated. Good. Thank you. That was weird. That was really weird. I don't know. This is not bad. Need to have more contrast in colors. Which one is area? Which one did I put for this one? I did use area here as well. Let's look at the different pages. So if we look at all the headings, we use area, and I think just regular bold is fine. And I think the letter spacing, let's bring it down. Oop. Yeah. Although 0.65. Let's keep our proportions. Oh. What just happened? What just happened? Forgot the negative sign. Oh, right. I think, yeah, that should work. Right, although, except I just screwed it up. Actually, this is fine. 0.1. Okay. I feel like that's working better. Heading H2s. Area normal. But is it though? Now is it? Oh, God. I'm getting myself into trouble. I think I'm getting myself into trouble here. Let's go to a blog post. Actually, a review post. So you have your headings, then the text. The comments. No, I like this. I like this on here. Yeah. I think it works, but I think the majority of the text now needs to be this sans serif font. This, what is it, Area? And then if we do that, then just the text within, when you're reading, you know, the review or whatever, have that one be the sans serif font. I think that'll look nicely. Let's hope. Okay, so where is it coming to all links? Where's this font coming from? You know, that's probably coming from the body. Or I set it on everything. Okay, so we're just gonna do it this way. If we set it here, is it gonna override? It is. Interesting. Oh boy, I don't know if I've been looking at the other ones for so long now. This one just looks out of place. And then do we want to change the buttons? We're gonna have to change the buttons. Oh, no, this is a little bit off because of the font. Let's compare. Oh, don't. Let's go to where are we? Okay, you know what I can do? I can just go like this. All right, what? Make sure we're at the right browser size here. I don't know what plays better. I like the elegance and sophistication of the nice serif font. But then I think maybe the readability on this might just be slightly better. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't. Yeah. Okay. I'm not feeling it. So let's undo what we've done here. Undo that. Undo that. And we need to go back to the size. I think we made some adjustments on the button as well. I think this was it. Yeah. That'll stay. I think we can update the headings. And maybe that's it. Assuming this loads. Okay, there we go. This one, can we edit this? I want to be careful not to go too light. All right. I don't know if I like it like for this one. Okay, bear with me as I go over this tedious task of perfecting this in my mind. This thing on 2 lines is really throwing me off here on this hero section. I still have it set to pixels too. What's it need to be? Something like this? Oh, I don't know. Maybe more like this. Once the logo gets developed, I think that'll end up looking a whole lot better. And actually getting the content as well too. Hopefully I can get that tomorrow. I guess what's tomorrow? Wednesday? Yeah, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, this button doesn't seem to fit anymore. Let's hang on. Let's hang on for a minute before I update that. So this title, yeah. And this as well too. Yeah, no, I like that. Let's give a little bit more of a line height there. Good. feel like our heading, the spacing is just a little bit too much. Yeah. Looks a little bit tighter. Let's go in here. I wonder if these... Why does this have a checkbox label of 4 on it? Oh, they all do. I just made a little adjustment. Alright. Checkbox top. Filter H3. Wait, what are these ones? These ones are 800. I don't want to use more fonts than I need to. So I got 700 here, 700 here, 700, 700, 700. So let's use 700. Reviews, right? Oh, that 800 looks pretty tight though. All right, this is 1.5. So this should not be the same size. What's the spacing here? Yeah. Okay. I don't think it makes sense to change this, but let's just see. Oh. No, it's too much. Okay, whoa. Something's not quite right with this page. With how this information, this metadata or whatever, the book data is being displayed, or the review data. Okay. 1.4, 1.2. This is also 1.2. Yeah. Okay. I don't know reviews yet. I wonder if these. Yeah. Because these are so small, but these ones look better. I think they do. And but the line height of this font is just driving me bonkers. All right, let me just publish this. Let's see what we got. Actually, we just want to go to reviews. Good. I think... Do we have these search numbers? We need them in a different font or color. Make them dark. Good. And when you have no reviews that fit, it looks good, except it's just slightly off. In my eyes anyways. No, it looks like it's better. Okay. So that's the review page. This is the blog page. So this is just the blog header. What did we do? Hang on a second. I like these ones. Whatever happened here. So heading link and then HL heading. That's what we need to do. So let's do that. Heading link and then HL heading. Okay. I called it blog link. Okay, that's okay. We should just go heading link. And then, oh, because I have the whole image as a, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. That makes sense why I don't do that. Although, what I could do is I think what I want to do is I want to give this a border on the bottom. We'll see if this will work first, right? I think it's this color. And then if I inline it, that should make it, yeah, have the same functionality, aka it's the same look as this. Perfect. Yeah. Where are we? Blog. Good. Except we also want to bold this. And this one, we're also going to make it smaller. What is it on the home page? It is 1.4 all around the board. So we have this as 1.5. Let's go 1.4. Keep it consistent. And you know what else we should do? At least I think we should do this. Is we should center everything. Should we? Yes, I think we should. Why do I say that? Because if you look on the home page, we have this centered here as well too, and we should do the same thing. Oh, I want to say like blog H3, but I can't. Oh, can I call it that? Did I not? What the hell did I call it? Blog H2. Okay, that makes sense because it's an H2. So let's just say, let's rename this blog, or not even blog, just post underline title. So let's go to home. So this is going to be post underline title. There we go. Keep it consistent. I like it. Okay, now we're coming together. So yeah, so I don't like this. I don't like this. And I think we just want to make just a button. All reviews, right? So we're looking at latest book reviews. Yeah, there's not really a list. I guess when you go onto the review page, it should be, what is it sorted by? I don't even know. I'll find out in a second. And we'll call this read all reviews. Yeah, let's get rid of this. And see more should just be centered. There we go. It's button full. I think that goes to full width, which we don't want. What's that noise? It's from the music. It sounds like a siren going off. Okay. Oh, yeah, what am I thinking? I'm thinking button bold. I wonder if this will look good. Yeah, I don't know. No, let's keep it at this for now. Okay. Yeah, I think we're looking a lot cleaner. So let's go on to the about page. These are heading 2s. So what do we want for this? So why am I keeping the heading 2 as this? I think because I have it here. And do I also have it on the home page? Yeah, I have this here. And this is heading 1. That's heading 3. It's not even a heading, it's just a title. I don't think it's a good idea. Oop. What am I doing? Don't think it's a good idea just to keep one title. There we go. Oh, excuse me. I hope I'm not getting the hiccups. Okay. So now, yeah, that looks good. That looks better. Yep. And blog. Looking good. About. Yes, much better. Much better. I gotta get some good icons for this. I'm not gonna make them. I'm gonna buy them. I'm not good at making icons at all. Okay, what else do we got? We have, I believe we have the blog posts. Fiddle the line height a little bit on this one. Good, good, good. This global small title. There we go. And this is Author social text. Okay. That's fine. I think if we had a pattern on the top, that should force it down. Forces everything else down a little bit too. Interesting. Right, because it's all in there. So oh no. 0.3. All right. Good. I like it. Comments template. Not gonna be showing that. Genres, nope. Reviews, yes. Okay, we got another title here. Okay, oh hang on, there's a lot of things here I got going on. No bold. Okay, well, we definitely want it to be bold. So I had that link. Oh, I still got the cap box on. So that is 1.4. It's also 1.4. Global small title. 9 on this page. 1 on another page. I'm thinking I could use the same thing that I use on the home page, right? With that link. Can't remember what it's called now. With the heading. All right. Let me just try to fix a few other things first while I think about that one. I don't know if that works better. Goodreads rating. author. None of these. I don't know if any of these colors would work here. Just want to add a little bit of warmth. And these are the titles of the author. This little pumpkin spice here going on. We'll have to see how that looks. So we have a global. Okay. I want to get rid of those styles. Let's clean some stuff up here. Yeah, remove all that junk. So underline, no, but border bottom, yes. There we go. That will work to give us that consistent look. Maybe we can do the same thing with this sidebar post link. But these ones are going to, again, have to be inline. I like it. We're making progress. Comment label. I'm gonna have to change that. Okay. The only thing that I don't know if this flies or what I should change is maybe here. I feel like our letter spacing. Just a little bit. Yeah, I can almost see the difference. Just, yeah, just ever so slightly. Okay. Yeah, let's look at much better. So we have the small title, and then that's the author's name. Then we have the Goodreads rating. And I think this BR meta, I think we'll put that in area. Good, that looks good. Did we put this part? Interesting. Text dark. And it's bold. What else is bold on this page? probably... Oh, I don't know. Isn't there a way to go into some kind of like inspector view or something to see? Oh yeah, how do you do this? I don't know. I usually don't have to do this. I want to look at bold, right? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay. Well, it's pretty clear though. And what it does is just bold something. But this, of course, does not need to be bold now. But it could be highlight. Do we want to highlight this number? I think we do. But how? Not like this. I mean, what's this number? A little more dark to it. I'm trying to see if I should put it into, you know, some type of nice circular thing here. Let's see if I can illustrate what I mean. It's not exactly centered, but we can fix that. And we can... I don't think it can go into a circle if we wanted to. Right, something like this. Now, instead of doing that, we can go our standard. That's not bad. Should we go? We don't want to go too dark. And I don't think, we certainly can't go light either. Certainly can't go light. It would be nice to actually have the number color scaled from 1 to 5, and then the higher it goes, the more whatever gradient color scale you'd want, right? Like blue for bad and all the way up to red for good, something like that. That would be kind of cool, but not gonna happen for today. I want to bring this down. Good. That's text block. We'll leave that. No, don't need to worry about naming that. That'll never come up again. Famous last words. Let's go 0.2. I feel like it's 1 pixel off. Yeah. Do we want to give this a radius as well? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay. I also want to look at input fields and look at the border. I want to lighten them up. And since everything is having that little bit of a radius, I think those fields should as well too. I think. Let's see what the actual review page looks like. Well, let's see what yeah. One of these portal pages. Yeah, it's looking good. Although a portal label, you are the wrong thing. What size did I make it? Is it 1.1? Yes, it's 1.1. So let's go back here and make it 1.1. There we go. And also darken the color. I think we're looking good. Reset password. Yeah, we can figure out those little alignments. That'll be little things, little details for later. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I think we're good. I think I'm liking this. But was that anything that needed to get done? Oh, right. For links. Right, I don't have any actual links. Like inside of a review. Let me throw some in. Actually, I don't need to throw any in. I'll just do this. And yeah, there we go. Okay. I mean, there's not much to do here. So that's I'm actually heading 4. All H401 inside rich text is going to be, yes, this. Okay. But links, all links nested inside of rich text. they are going to be, let's just make them red. And then I think, can we have a hover effect? Or maybe that'll just be on all links, which we can do, which we certainly can do. Right? Right. So, I mean, this might mess up the buttons, but let's see what we got. So all links will be red, and when we hover over them, it's very simple. We're gonna just turn them black. Or like lighter red. And then we're gonna have to add the transition. And it's gonna be font color 300. And we are going to go for ease in and out quad. So let's take a look. Yeah. So that's not doing anything inside rich text. Interesting. And this is still as is with no. Let's add it now. A little transition. Text effect. Oh my goodness. Okay, focus. Color, right. And when you hover, no, I do have the color right. But you know what would be good? If I do that, I think it gets all weird. Like there'll be a jump. But it doesn't animate. And we could, do we want to do this? Like we could give it a border style. I don't want to do that. Just adding more code. Not that that's hard, but. Just do this. Okay. This link here, however, we don't want this to be maroon. I want that to be black. And let's do color. Oh, what am I doing? That's on border, isn't it? Is it doing that though? Is it changing the color? On hover, it's not. Yeah, this is where I find Webflow is always lacking. So that if you want to hover over this element, I can't use a like a selector or whatever to select. Like when you hover over this link block, I want to change the color of this sidebar post title. So you can easily do that in code, but you can't do that here in Webflow. Without having to do some kind of animation, which I don't want to do, but I think I might not have a choice. Okay, well, let's try something here. Okay, mouse hover. And let's say, let's do a zoom in. And what do we want to do? I guess we just want to do you want to scale? But we want to scale the background image though, not the full post. So how are we gonna even be able to do that? I don't know if we can do that. Yeah, it's gonna do the whole thing. Shoot. In order to be able to do this effect, we'd have to put the image like inside a div block. So we can target that. And then expand the image and then do like an overflow. So dang it. Well, what if we just moved it up slightly? And then it took like a long time. Like 2 seconds to do. Oh, but then it needs to go back down. Obviously. But I only wanted to zoom in on the sidebar post image. I don't think it'll let me. Why is it's not letting me select it? Yeah, so save, but is that? Yeah, there we go. Good. Okay, now I just need to reverse it. And on hover out, start an animation, new one, zoom. Wait, do I need to start a new one? Yeah, let's just scale it. And I want a specific class, only children, and it is going to be sidebar post image and scale it to 1. And yeah, I could take like 5 seconds to do it faster. It doesn't like this. The scale does not have a value applied. Well, it did, but okay, there it goes. Okay. There we go. I mean, yeah, okay. Well, you know what? I got the animation now, so let's might as well keep going. So if we zoom in, oh, actually, is it gonna work? Because I'm just thinking now I can apply this to other. Yeah, can I though? Because this is different. I might be able to. Let's see. What am I doing? So we want to zoom in, and we also want to. Can we change the text color of sidebar post title? And we're going to change it to dark red. And we're going to use our ease in out. I think it's in out quad. That's what we want. And let's say 0.3, which is our normal. Oh, but we also want it to start with previous. Okay, let's preview that. There we go. Now we just need to reverse it. Oh, but now it's not zooming in and out. Why is it not zooming in? It changed this thing. Why would you do that? Post image. Do you have to do another can you not animate? Oh, that's annoying. Well, that is really annoying. If you can't only target one class within it, that doesn't sound right to me. So, what do we say? Yeah, so now we got sidebar post title. No. Like, can I do input field? It won't. I thought you can do multiple actions on different classes within one animation, but it seems like you can't. Set interaction to multiple elements. No, that's not really what I want. It wouldn't make sense to have to do a whole new interaction. Just to change the color. Right? Oh well. Like if I make a Sotex Halberin. All right. Oh. That's selected class. Oh. Sidebar post. Title. Only children. 0.3. Use in out quad. And there we go. And then we'll also go here. What is it? Text hover out. Like this is where like so much work just to make something that could be done in one line of code. And back to normal, right? And specific class, sidebar post title. Oh, no, nothing's working at all. Oh, because you can only have one, of course. But even then, how come it's not working? Something's not right here, because I'm almost positive. Oh, why is that not working now? That should have worked. That should have worked. Oh, because it changed onto the class. Oh, God, so stupid. Doesn't matter, though. We're just deleting these. I think there's something I'm not using the interface correctly because it doesn't make sense to me that you wouldn't be able to say, I want to do this class and then I want to have an effect on these, and all these different classes. Excuse me, I'm pretty sure I've done that before. I'm pretty sure. Go. So this one would be awesome to start an animation. I could start the zoom, but it's not going to work because it's got a different class, which is so annoying. So, but maybe what I can do is I can go on here and add a new class here. This might work. Hover image effect. Let's see if that works. I put it on the wrong thing. Not you. You. Hover image effect. Okay. So let's go into here. A new class. Actually. Yeah. Oh, it's still not going to work because you can't. It's still selecting. Oh, God, dang it. Ooh, oh, maybe. Okay, maybe this will work. Just cancel. Whoops. Maybe instead of, where am I going? Maybe I can put the class on here, right? So let's try that. So, and edit this. Let's put it on hover. Oh, it only goes on the combo class. Okay. Wow, that is annoying. Is this still working? Yeah, it's still working. But in order to do this, I'd have to change. Well, I need one here. I need one here. And they're all called different things. Oh, shit. What if... No, none of it's working. It's not changing the color of the underline. So this heading link. Yeah, this is not going to change the color of anything either. Because everything is on here. Well, this one should be okay. So I should be able to go on here. We want a nice darker text, or text, underline, along with, yeah, that'll work. But let's just make sure that this has a good transition effect. Ease in and out. There's a couple different things for this one. Let's just go all properties. So there might be issues here when this doesn't fit. And that's because of, is it the line height? Interesting. Just a slight off. But if I do this, then it's going to muck up everything. So I have no choice. Okay. So I have this. So I have this BC images and post underline title. What do I have for the home page? No, it's completely different. Son of a gun. CRA in. So we're going to scale specific class CRI image. I'm going to scale it to 1.1. I'm going to do that over 2 seconds. He's in and out. Good. And we want to add an action, select an element. So if I select this one, add the action, text color. Okay, now it's working. It must be just the way that I did it. Okay, so only children, yes. 0.3. Red. Excellent. Let's start with previous. Okay, there's one mistake. It's only children. Maybe I gotta select the class first. Maybe that was my problem. Okay, well, that's fine. And select this one. Border color. And the border color is going to go. I mean, I think that's the color that it is. So I think we just had it go dark, right? And maybe you can take a little bit longer. Would that look cool? I don't know. Let's find out. Only children with previous. Oh no, that didn't work at all. It's making everything larger. I don't want everything to be larger. I just want that to be larger. And 1.05 is good. Thank you very much. And I think the border color doesn't seem to work, but let's see. Yeah, it just goes whatever color right away. Which is kind of annoying, but what can you do? So let's just remove that one. So that's good. Let's just go in here for a second. Oh, we can't. We're not on the right page. I guess we can change pages. You know what? Let's just continue on. Start animation. CRI out. Oh, let's select. Yeah, this one, right? And that is going to be scale. Bring it back to 1. Yeah, no, 0.5 is good. And only children, yep. And then the next one, we're going to do text color. 0.1. 5 as well. And we're going to bring it back to black. And start with save. There we go. Okay, so that's working. So let's go back to, I think it was here. Where now, I guess we gotta just, because we gotta select this, I guess, first. And then we want to go text color. Okay, it is working. At least it looks to be working. Red on hover, yes. With previous. And zoom out. Text color. In and out quad. And back to black. And with previous. Save. Good. And now we... oh, this only has one link, and it's the this. the this. So... what do we want? We want hover. Go to red. No. Undo that. Okay. But hopefully the transition should be smooth on the border as well, which it is. Excellent. I don't think we need the author's name here. I'm going to get rid of it. Global small title with a link. I'm going to shrink you down. Good. Good. Now, I think we have one more. And that is right here on the home page. Okay, now that we know exactly how to use this stupid interface. One more. Oh wait, did I already do this here? Oh, I have it on homepage. I think maybe the blog is what I need to do. Yep. Okay. So start an action. We're gonna call this, I guess, blog link in. New action, scale, only children, 1.05. It's going to take 2 seconds. I'm going to ease in and out quad. And the title, action, we want color. We are going to make it red and ease in and out. And it's going to start with previous. So save that. Looks like it's working. And start an animation. Can I duplicate this? I want to duplicate this. But I'm going to call this blog link out. Well, this is much easier, just duplicate. But we're going to go to 1. And this one, we're going to go back to black. Save. And then use it. Yep. Oh, except we need to change the time. 0.5. Save. There we go. Oh, that's weird. What's happening here? These aren't full. Min width, 100%. It's 100% of the image. The blog link needs to be 100%. There we go. Okay, so let's look at our tasks again. Good. Oh, geez. Look at that. We're already 2 hours and 17. What time is it? 4:26. Oh, goodness. Goodness. Oh, I have so much to do. So much to do, and it's 4:30. I have to send an invoice out. I have to send a quote out. I have to design three more items. A suite of items, 2 flyers, and some online ads that have to be done by tomorrow. I guess I could wait to do those ads tomorrow morning, but man, lots to do. Okay, what do we got? Footer section. Yeah, let's take a look at this footer section. Let's publish here. I'm still logged in, eh? Yep. And I still can't change your email address. Like that's so funky. Okay. I'm wondering if this shouldn't be centered. It's the only thing that's not centered. I mean, I see how I have them here, so that was probably my justification. I clicked Takama. Uh-oh. What's going on? Did I screw up the blog link? Oh, maybe I never put it. Crazy. Choose a page. Current blog page. I'll publish that, I guess. Well, let's go to... Well, I guess if I'm home, I can get to the book review. Yeah, I'm really liking this thing here. If you like these books, you know, check these ones. Or if you like this book. Yeah, that looks good. I think I need to change this one so it's the same. But I want to look at what happens. Oh, it validated with nothing. And thank you, your submission has been received. Okay, let's fix that. Comment form. I guess I can look at this. I mean, that's required. This is also required. Okay. And I also want to see any success? I think I just have like this. So thank you for your comment. And then the last thing would be an error message. You know what? There we go. Something went wrong with your comment. Please try again. Okay. So that shouldn't leave a comment. Okay, request a book. So yeah, it shouldn't leave a comment unless someone actually fills it out. No empty comments. And what was I doing? Right, I know I want to change. Not on this page. Oh well, where's the link on this page? We should do it on this page too. Yeah. We certainly should. Okay. Oh man, doing this twice, or doing this all the time is really frustrating. But now I know better for next time. You do one thing, you figure out how to do it better the next time, so it won't take you as long. Oh, no, not mouse click. Delete. Mouse hover. Start an animation. It's going to be a new one. This is going to be RC in, which is review collection. Hang on, now I gotta click. All right. Click on the image, start, scale, only children, 1.05, 2 seconds, and out. Okay, this is going much faster now. Review title, text color, with previous, 5 seconds is fine. We want that red. All right, I'll save that. And I want this RC review title. There, that's what it's going to start with. Or on, black. Okay. And now on hover out, start an animation, duplicate. It's going to be this one. It's going to be RC out. going to scale back down to 1. I'm going to do that in much less time. And you are going to scale back to dark. Save. Let's take a look. Right, except there's just one thing I want to change. This is too much. .2. Okay. And there was one place. Are these? Yeah, they are black. Okay, almost look like they were the light gray. And the last page, I think, is on an actual review page. The last link. Okay. So, no, I need another link, right? So maybe what I'll do is, can I call it this? Sidebar post link block. Maybe I'll do that. So I can reuse. I can reuse the, God, what am I thinking? The, the styling and the animation. Okay, so we're gonna call this sidebar. Is it sidebar post link? Sidebar post link block. And then sidebar post image. We'll just call it sidebar post image. Sidebar post image. And sidebar post title. And title is like the book title, right? And we call this sidebar post title. Get rid of this. And this is going to be, this is what? Recommended. Oh man, spell. Because I want the height of this to be a little bit more. But here is where I should be able to use mouse hover. I think it's just, yeah, start animation. I think it's zoom with this one, right? Yeah, zoom in, zoom out. So I should be good. And then start an animation, zoom out. Please work. And it does. Except, what was that? Okay, something's off. Is it because current review? That would be kind of stupid. Zoom in, zoom out. Oh, that's weird. What the heck? 3 issues. Skip level heading. Where? Oh, that's on the this fake one. So there's what? What the hell? Sidebar post image, sidebar post title. I'm not sure what could be causing issues. Yeah, it's weird. It's glitching. But these ones aren't, right? Yes, they are. That one did glitch. Did you see it? It doesn't return back to... did something happen? Let's just see. Let's just have a look at the animation. Sidebar post image scales to 1.05. And then sidebar post title goes down. Okay, that looks right. And what about zoom out? Sidebar post image scales to 1. The color scales to black. No, I mean, it seems right to me. But why is it being foobar with this one? I don't know. What was this before? RB link. Well, I'm just going to do another class just to see if that is what the hell the issue is. RB image. Whoops, RP. Rename. RB text. Okay, so the RB image. I think, what did we want? Something like this. And we got 0.3. We have to actually go in here. No tiling. And to cover, please. RB text. You know what we could do? We could make it global small title, right? Global small title. But we'll make it like even smaller. Or no, we could make it in a link actually. Because we can have it have no text decoration, which it says no, but it's not quite right. 0.5. If we inline it, then this RB link, we gotta do this. There we go. Don't have to do that. It's 1.2. Okay. So zoom in, zoom out. A new action. Select the image. Oh wait, we gotta give it a. So we're gonna go RB in. New animation. Scale. 1.05. 2 seconds. In out. And then this global small title, we're going to change its color. Only children with previous red. Excellent. Save that. And then start an animation. Oh, no. We want to duplicate. I'm going to edit this one. RB out. 0.5 seconds. 1. And back to black. Save. No bounce. Weird. Weird, but I will take it. Okay, so let's refresh. Must have been something with the class names somehow. One comment. Actually, can I go to, does this have a comment? User comment name. Minus 0.5. Good. All right. So we did all that and it still wasn't on our list. Okay. What time is it? 4:48. Let's look at the footer section right now. And where is it? Footer section is also inside the container. Let's see. Let's go. Let's try adding a background to it. Again, we have our light background. And then we want to make sure yeah, we want to give some good padding then. Both to the top and also the bottom. Probably the sides too. I mean, I don't think those will ever collapse, but I'll have to, oh, you know what we need to do? I totally didn't do this one, but make sure site is fully responsive. Yeah, we'll do that tomorrow. And also what we can do is come over here. Just add a little radius. I think what might look really nice If I pull this out of the container, yeah. This looks a little weird because it's on the review page where it's got this, the tag there at the bottom, but let's just have a look. Oh, yeah, right. I'll have to do that on all pages. Yeah, I like it. Although I think the copyright, I want to put that as area. And we're going to bold it, and we're going to put it at 0.8. Okay, so we got to go to all the pages now and do that for this. How do you... I wish I could do that in one fell swoop. Blog. Oh, what did I do? Press the button. Footer. Like, I mean, can I move it to... No, I can't take that. Good, good, good. I think we're coming along. Oh, yeah, I'm just about done here. Blog. So the blog already has a little bit of that effect, but this will just be amplified here. Just because the blog is just to be a straight reading. We might throw a sidebar in here. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll have to see how it flies. Like this is what I mean. Sidebar here, but I don't know what would be on it. So, oh, okay, this is already out. Excellent. I think that's all the pages. Ooh, I guess I could maybe... I think I took the footer out off of all these pages. Access denied. Yeah. Update password. Blah, blah. Reset. Sign up. I don't know why I say blah, blah. It's not blah, blah. Okay. All right. So that was style the footer section. So we didn't get the Webflow template. We'll do that tomorrow. The icons, do that tomorrow. Yeah, that's probably going to be Thursday, actually. 404, that'll be easy. We do that tomorrow. So, gather all content. Yeah, so actually, I'm just going to send that. I know what I'm going to do with that. I'm just going to send that to the client. I'm going to send them the link to the actual page and just let them know. Like, basically, all this content is fake. So you need to write it. So get list of all the starting genres. Let's do that Thursday. Review all page metadata. Let's try that for tomorrow. Clean up collection. Friday. And that's Friday because we'll go live on Friday, hopefully. Take initial contact review. And like the reviews. Right, so hopefully we get that soon. Oh, pictures. Oh, right. I don't know when we're gonna look into that. Create affiliate accounts. Oh, I might do those like off screen because of how much time they might take. Create affiliate accounts. And this will be the same thing. Thursday. And that might just be on Thursday as well. Actually, I'll start there. It's like a 2-day thing, 3-day thing. Okay. It's capital B. There we go. Okay. That's what it gather all content fields that client. Yes. Okay. That's what we'll get done today. Okay. I am super thirsty, super tired, and Pan is still chilling out there. And that's it. That is it for today. So that was a good day. So we're getting closer. Lots of little design things. Now I'm pretty sure we're going to be able to stick to our schedule by having this thing ready by Friday. And what we just outlined now in Asana is, I think it's going to be pretty easy to follow. So I think I'm feeling pretty good. I think we'll be done by Friday for sure. Because if there's a few things that are not design Webflow kind of oriented, like the Amazon stuff, I'll just do that kind of off camera. But the goal is to do everything here from this project from start to finish on camera. So I'll strive to do that. But if I don't, I will certainly let you know. Like the first thing when I start a live stream of what I did maybe the night before or something like that, right? So, okay. So with that, thank you so much. Jay, thanks for stopping by and popping in. Appreciate it. Hope to see you again some other time soon. And yeah, everyone, thanks again for watching, and we will see you tomorrow. All right. Until then, have a good night.